Art reflects the spirit of an individual, of a community, of a purpose. Art is important because it's a reflection of culture and life and the diversity that each of us bring as individuals.
Robert P. Madison was started 64 years ago by my uncle. Even though he was a Howard grad, a Harvard grad, and had studied with world-renowned architects, he could not find a job because of the color of his skin. So he had to support his family and decided, well, I'm going to open my own firm, and that's what he did.
The beautiful thing about Karamu is it came to us in a period of time where we had just taken ownership of the company, and so it was kind of the reboot of Robert P. Madison, and it was the reboot of Karamu.
Karamu House was founded in 1915 here in the heart of Cleveland, Ohio. Karamu meaning a place of joyful gathering, we produce professional theater, provide arts education, and present community programs for all people. Whether race, culture, gender, we want to serve all while honoring the African American experience.
This is the oldest African American theater in the United States, so I know how important this is. Karamu is a very old building.
Karamu House is on the historic preservation. This building has great bones. It just needs to be updated to today.
It's a great structure, but needed to be upgraded to be ADA compliant, as well as to say that this community deserved a high quality, aesthetically pleasing facility.
As an architect, we usually sit down with the owner to see what their vision and their mission is, and then try to make this project work for them. I look to Tony because he has his vision, and his vision is so clear.
In talking to Sandra, she was like that big sister, and her ability to listen, to receive, and shape and finesse a vision is a gift. And Karamu is a better place because of this design, because of this authentic relationship.
He's got a new idea every time I see him, which is always exciting. In the first phase, we decided to do the Jollof Theater because that was where they had the largest audience.
In the old design, from the lobby, you walked straight into the theater. With the new design, there's an inner lobby, which then helps control light and sound from the outside. It's just been so incredible being able to produce theater in a way that exterior areas are not impacting what's going on inside the theater.
I've seen Karamu before, and I've seen the energy after.
Oh, the design for the Jollof is just, it's amazing, because I did see the before pictures, I knew what it was.
When someone comes in, you want the space to enliven and also just bring out those creative juices.
When you walk in, there's a feeling of warmth. It feels like home.
We've come to shows now, and it's a remarkable new experience.
People were very excited. It's a whole different feel. When someone walks in, you want them to say, wow, I really want to work here, I want to dance here, I want to be a part of this.
People come here to feel, wow, this is different, this is a Karamu.
My favorite part of the new design is walking onto this stage and looking out into the house and just seeing the space. I just feel the vibration, the energy. I can connect with the great artists who've been on this stage before, and their spirit and the spirit of all of the ancestors just resonate and vibrate through me.
I love that when I come here, I am full of energy. There is nothing more exciting than being in this space.
To me, what's important about Karamu is what it means to the community.
The idea is opening up Karamu House to the outside so that it does have an outward face that the community can embrace.
That community has always been a centerpiece of how it's been created.
I think it will spur the development of the rest of the neighborhood.
He's going to be the catalyst for this whole area.
It's going to be fantastic.
As we renovate the facility, as we talk about the needs of the community, we have a responsibility to serve the community, to have dialogue, and use the arts as a vehicle for understanding, reflection, and social change.
We're so happy to develop his vision for this area.
It's an exciting place, exciting time for Karamu. I'm very happy to be that person to do that.